Well, he said truck's not running. Had it at a shop. Thought that it was the fuel. It was the wire. Usually if you pull on it and it comes off, it actually grounds the last two wires on each plug on the coils. But that wire is in charge of all the ground to those coils. Cranked it up and had no codes. Like I heard the fuel pump, so I just checked the ground on that stud underneath the motor on the left side. If you can tug on it and it falls off, it's definitely junk, but I usually just cut them off and crimp a new ground on there and run it straight to the battery. If you're wondering what I charge this guy, I'm going to charge him somewhere between $200 and $300. Other shops would have thrown a bunch of parts at it, and you know, that's a problem. He wants me to do the exhaust manifold.